We have just made our organizer in PowerPoint, so now what we're going to do is we're going to upload it to Schoology so that each student will get their own copy and be able to type in that organizer. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Add Materials, and then I'm going to click Add Assignment. I'm going to title my assignment Character Setting Organizer, and then I'm going to put in the description, please fill in each part of the organizer. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have already added the OneDrive Assignments app to your course, and this should pop up if you did. So I'm going to click OneDrive Assignments. And I didn't put it in any specific folder, so I'm just going to search for it up here so I don't have to scroll down through a bunch of pages. Here it is. And I'm going to attach it. So now it shows you this will create a copy of your file for each student. You could pick a due date. I want it due by this Friday. Category. To give a grade on it, it has to have a category. You can't pick ungraded. And since I want to show you what that looks like, I'm just going to pick classwork. And I'm not really messing around with this stuff yet. And then I'm going to create. And here it is. So now I'm just going to show you this one that I had already made because I can show you what it would look like from the teacher's point of view when there is a student. So I'm going to click on Organizer. And I can see who is in progress and who has submitted. So you'll see my student Sandra has submitted hers. She has a grade. I can see everything that she has done. When they are in progress, you can also see everything that they are doing. It's a little bit lagged, maybe like 40 seconds. You can go through and see who's done what. You can also open, let's see if I unsubmit hers. I can also open this up while she's working and edit it with her. So I could add this text box. I can insert a text box and add it here so that she'll see it. It'll pop up while she's working. Please check this. I can make that color yellow so that I know it's from me. And I could just exit out and it would save there. Here's where I could grade her response. Give her an 80 and you can write your comments. Organizer. And then if you share gradebook comment with your student, it will go into their gradebook and they'll be able to see your comments. And it should also send them a notification up here that it has been graded. And that's it. You can also unsubmit assignments. I think before you grade them, you could unsubmit and have them go back and resubmit if it's not complete. Students can also unsubmit their own work before you give it a grade.